Today we're going to be adding an apron to our barn. The reason for this is to help keep predators out, keep like coyotes and raccoons from digging, and it'll also keep us worry-free at night. We're digging about a foot down, and that should keep predators from digging. We are going to be backfilling this eventually all the way up to the woods, so the hardwire cloth will be buried a lot more. Alright, we're all done, at least 1/4 of it. We're just doing bite-sized pieces every single weekend.